Hello everyone, this is Lately and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn another fun command in AutoCAD. Let's start. This command is called previous and it actually helps you to select what you have been previously working on. Let me show you this. So right now, I don't like the arrangement of this kitchen, so I'm just gonna move this table a little bit here, maybe move this one there, and then move the table here, and then I'm gonna look at this and just figure out, okay, this is too close to the window, so I'm just gonna move this. So if you want to move something that you moved in the last command, all you have to do is just select the command you want, like move, and then put a P. As you saw, let's do it one more time. So I write the command move, and then instead of selecting something, I'm gonna put a P, and it's gonna select the previous object or the previous thing that you were working with. So you might ask, this is a little bit crazy, and well, I'm right there with you. So let's make it a little bit less crazy. Come here. As you can see, this is a little bit more complicated shape from this one. Actually, I'm talking about the dimensions. It's a little bit more, and they are in various places. So selecting them, you will once select them and maybe just move them, and like here, and you will look at this and figure out, well, I don't like the placing of this. So all you have to do is just you don't need to go select everything one by one more time. Maybe something is here and you will forget about selecting it. So you're just gonna put the command and then select on previous. As you can see, it will select what you have been previously working on. If you forget the command, it's actually very easy, just because it's only a P. But if you did forget the command, you can just right click and you have recent inputs, and you can use just this command. But right now I'm just going to use move and previous, and just gonna move this back where it belongs. So you might say that this is actually a little bit nuts. Well, I'm right there with you. So let's make it a little bit less nuts, shall we? Okay. So right here I have a plan of, well, actually a region. It's a very big scale plan. It's about a city. It has a lot of colors in it. It has a lot of numbers in it, and it's just a little bit hard to select everything I want just one by one. So let's try that command right here and right now. As you can see, I have a lot of yellow lines, and I have a lot of numbers. So what I'm gonna do, for example, I'm gonna just select my numbers, and as you know, I'm gonna select this and just go select similar, and as you can see, all my numbers are selected. So I'm gonna move this because, well, maybe I don't need this anymore, so I'm gonna move it like about 1,000 meters. I told you this is a big map. So all my numbers are right here, and well, I don't need them right now. And but maybe I don't know, I want to bring them back, or maybe do another thing with this. For example, I want to scale the numbers. So I'm gonna just put SC, and then instead of just selecting my numbers, I'm gonna put P. And as you can see, it's all been selected. So I'm just gonna scale this maybe twice its size, and it's bigger now, as you can see. And maybe I don't want this, so I want to change it again. I'm gonna scale it back, put previous on, and go half the size. and it's back to normal. So as you can see, you don't need to select it one by one all the time, and it makes it a little bit easier. That goes with everything else too, because sometimes, well, let me show you. For example, I'm going to select these yellow lines. I'm going to select similar, and you can see all my yellow lines are selected. So I'm going to make a mistake, and I'm going to move this just a little bit to litter. Voila, I have something that for the life of me I cannot fix. I mean, come on, look at this. It's a mess. You can use undo, and I'm with you with that, but I'm teaching you another command here. So I'm gonna move it, the yellow lines back to its place. So I'm just gonna put move and then put previous, and as you can see, everything is selected one more time, and all I have to do is just drag this one and put it in its place, and we're good to go. It goes with everything. You can do it with objects, select similar, and maybe move this. You don't like the place, and move previous, and you can just take back whatever it was. Or sometimes in a little bit more complicated plans like this one, let me show you. Like this one, you might need to change a couple of things, and well, you don't want to just screw up with the whole plan. You can just move this, and you're gonna move this, and then you're gonna select these. This is actually gonna be really fun. So you're gonna actually select these, and let me show you another way that you will get it perfectly. So I'm going to turn off this, okay? And then I'm going to select these. So let's go with this bunch, because I don't want to put a lot of time in selecting. And then I'm going to turn on my layer. Let's put a command here first, like move, and then cancel it. So I'm going to turn on my layer, and now selecting these gets a little bit harder. So I'm going to just put move and then previous, and as you can see, the lines I selected before is out. Easy, and you don't have to go through your hatches to do this. And you know, when it's going to be handy and useful, it's going to be handy and useful when you have two kind of hatch, and maybe more, even three kind, and you don't know what to do with this. So you're just gonna turn off your hatches, and then just select all this, put it on move. I usually use move, I don't know why, and then cancel it, turn on everything, and actually move the previous lines. As you can see, the lines are here, and well, actually I selected every line, but you can just simply drag out your lines, and your hatches are here, or maybe copy them if you need a copy. Let's do it one more time. So I'm gonna just copy the previous one. As you can see, it's selected. Let me just put shift and unselect everything else, so we won't have a messy thing here. And great. And as you can see, I just can extract the lines I wanted out of this, and I didn't have to select everything one by one. So that was the lesson for today. I wish you can use it a lot as I do, and I wish it's gonna be handy for you. Come back for more lessons and more fun commands on AutoCAD, and please like and subscribe if you like this video.